These nuts. Breakfast!
Oh, hell no! These biscuits.
21.
Smoke weed every day.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
Mom spaghetti. But can you do this?
You're not my dad!
Free Shavakadu!
Pepsi bottle, a Coca-Cola glass. I don't give a damn.
What are you doing on computer? Go outside, so beautiful!
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Oh my god! No way! Oh my
FBI, open up!
$3.99!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
That's a lot of damage.
I am a potato.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Enemy spotted.
Bye, Felicia!
Why you bullying me?
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later.
All we had to do was follow the damn train, CJ.
Just do it!